Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do y'all summons for November the 19th, 2023. Y'all already should know who these people are, and if I have to stop, I will. Yesterday I had a good day. I was rewatching movies, doing them okay, and I got this download when I was creating these summons for y'all. And I got the download doing Revelation 19, okay? I always tell y'all the Bible is fake. It's a freak to brainwash us and all that type of stuff. Basically, this is a storybook, okay? It don't really mean nothing. Not even the revelations, okay? It's basically just telling y'all Shanice's story, okay? And also the raptures, we in the raptures right now, so it don't really matter, okay? It don't really matter, like nothing big, nothing like y'all believed. It don't really mean nothing, okay? It will come to y'all what it really means, okay? So we will be reading Ruth chapter 4 in the Old Testament. It's about my grandma, so let's begin. Now Boaz went up to the gate and sat down there. Behold, the near kinsman of whom Boaz spoke came by. He said to him, "Come over here, friend, and sit down." He came over and sat down. He took 10 men of the elders of the city and said, "Sit down here," and they sat down. He said to the near kinsman Naomi, who had come back out of the country of Moab, is selling the parcel of land, which was our brother Elimelech. Okay, so these people that done fucked me up today, I thought I having a good day. Whatever they did, one passed gas in my face, okay, and the other ones was shooting me up, okay. They awoke in Shanice from the ground, okay, from hell, okay, and she told me, well, I still need to have my chance to do my work. Okay, like Gina, you let Gina get away. And I'm like, bitch, I didn't let Gina get away. So while reading this, bitch, you been here though. So you already been working. Okay? You have had your chance. Okay, Shanice, you have had your chance. Okay, you done did your job. Okay? So come on now. I thought I should they can understand if you were new to the group. You been here way before. Okay? I thought I should tell you, saying, buy it before those who sit here, and before the elders of my people. If you will redeem it, redeem it. But if you will not redeem it, then tell me, that I may know. For there no one to redeem it besides you, and I am after you. He said, I will redeem it. So it basically was James telling Grandma. She did redeem me. Then Boaz said, on the day you buy the field from the hand of Naomi, you must buy it also from Ruth the Moabite, the wife of the dead, to raise up the name of the dead on his inheritance. The near kinsman said, I can't redeem it for myself, lest I endanger my own inheritance. Take my right of redemption for yourself, for I can't redeem it. Now this was the custom in former time in Israel concerning redeeming and concerning exchanging. To confirm all things, a man took off his shoe and gave it to his neighbor. And this was the way of formalizing transactions in Israel. Cool. So like when it comes to foster kids, okay, I'm paperwork. Yeah, some bitch found my paperwork, okay, that me and my grandma had together. It say my grandma the guardian of me, and it say my mama name, and it say who my daddy is or whatever. That's like my trafficker, to be honest. Okay, it's like in her system. It's like, I don't know, it's strange. Cool. So then, but that girl already exposed it to people. So the near kinsman said to Boaz, buy it for yourself. Then he took off his shoe. Boaz said to the elders and to all the people, you are witnesses today that I have bought all that was Elimelech and all that was Shaiwan's and Mahlon's from the hand of Naomi. Now I know why Grandma did the thing she did. Moreover, Ruth the Moabite, the wife of Mahlon, had purchased to be my wife, to raise up the name of the dead on his inheritance. that the name of the dead may not be cut off from among his brothers, and from the gates of his place. You are witnesses today. All the people who was in the gates and the elders said, We are witnesses. May the Lord make the woman who has come into your house like Rachel and like Leah, which both built the house of Israel, and increase you worthily in Ephrathah, and be famous in Bethlehem. Let your house be like the house of Perez, whom Tamar bore to Judah, of the offspring which the Lord will give you by this young woman. No. So Boaz took Ruth, and she became his wife, and went into her. And the Lord enabled her to conceive, and she bore a son. The woman said to Naomi, Blessed be the Lord, who has not left you today without a near kinsman. Let his name be famous in Israel. He shall be to you a restorer of life, and sustain you in your old age. For your daughter-in-law, who loves you, who is better to you than 7 sons, has given birth to him. Naomi took the child and laid him in her bosom, and became nurse to it. The woman, her neighbors, gave him a name, saying, A son is born to Naomi. They named him Obed. He is the father of Jesse, the father of David. Okay, so regarding Michael. When I was trying to remember about me and Michael, that was strange when I first met him. He knew where I lived at. Anyway, that's just it to me. Now, this is a history of the generations of Perez. Perez became the father of Hezron, and Hezron became the father of Ram, and Ram became the father of Amminadab, and Amminadab became the father of Nahshon, and Nahshon became the father of Solomon. And Solomon became the father of Boaz, and Boaz became the father of Obed. And Obed became the father of Jesse, and Jesse became the father of David. Okay, that's Ruth chapter 4 in the Old Testament. Enjoy.